Okay, so here I am. I've got a nice piece of glass here, and let's say that there's some whatever bird poop or even like paint, like little bits of paint. You can just scrub and scrub and scrub, or you can try to get like a razor blade and then you'll scratch the hell out of your glass, or you just go and you get yourself some 4-aught steel wool. It has to be 4-aught, meaning 4 zeros, 0000. You can get it at any like hardware store. It's usually in the the painting section. It's meant for like super fine kind of detail oriented, like before you paint, I guess. I'm not much of a painter, but I am a good window washer. So steel wool, it's like $5 for a bag about this size. You can get like a dozen pieces or whatever. What's great about it is you can use it wet, you can use it dry. It never, in the entire time I've been doing this, it has never ever scratched a piece of glass. You don't have to be a professional. You don't have to have like a fine touch with with your hands or anything like that. You can just, get it on there and just bang it around and get all the stuff off. I like to feel the texture with my hand to see if there's anything on there, and then yeah, you just hit it with the steel wool. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, but using that, you don't have to worry about razor blades. You don't have to be worried about scratching up your glass, which is the stupidest thing you could possibly do when there's this amazing tool out there. So that's it. You just rub it on. You can use elbow grease. You can not use elbow grease. You can even use it for detail work. You can just kind of hit a little spot of something extra that might be on the glass. You just kind of zip it, and that usually gets rid of it. If you use like a brand new fresh piece, it's almost like a rag in and of itself. Like it's honestly, it's probably the best tool that I have in my tool belt for window washing. It does so much stuff. You can do an entire house with a scrubber, a squeegee, and steel wool, to be honest. If you wanted to use steel wool for rags, you could do that and just do all your detail work with steel wool. That would be kind of expensive, but if you didn't have like Huck towels or you didn't have microfiber towels or whatever, you could definitely use something else. So definitely give it a try. Yeah, it's awesome. I don't know what else to say. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's sunny. It's awesome. Go get steel wool. Okay, goodbye.